Evaluate the integral of cosine 2x over sine x plus cosine x dx. So we apply the double angle identity for cosine 2x. Cosine 2x is equal to cosine squared x minus sine squared x over sine x plus cosine x dx. Then we apply the factoring technique for the difference of two squares on the numerator. That is x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y, right? So applying this factoring technique on the numerator, cosine squared x minus sine squared x is equal to cosine x plus sine x times cosine x minus sine x over sine x plus cosine x dx. And then we cancel common expressions on the numerator and denominator, which is this cosine x plus sine x and sine x plus cosine x. So they are equal by commutative property of addition, right? So what is left is this cosine x minus sine x. And then we distribute the integral symbol, so we have the integral of cosine x dx minus the integral of sine x dx. So the integral of cosine x dx is positive sine x. Then minus the integral of sine x is negative cosine x. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So simplifying further, sine x minus negative cosine x, that will be positive cosine x plus c. So this is the final answer.